Hey, Shawnee from SpeedCubeReview.com. I got a puzzle in from MoYu, and this is the Super WeiLong 18th anniversary edition. So the anniversary when the original WeiLong came out. I waited a little bit to do this video, so that way it's available, so you can actually get it. So link in the description to SpeedCube Shop where you can get it. And I love this packaging. Magnetic box. We get a couple cards. No special codes we need for it. Let's just take everything out, unbox this. Inside here, we've got springs, adjustment tension settings for those springs, screwdriver, tool, all that fun stuff. More cards, more guides and things like that. So we have our logo. Now, I actually first thought that was just an angry face. Actually, that does look amazing. Ooh, completely clear internals. Or transparent. It's very fast. Magnetic core. That core is clear as well. Wow. Okay, and you can see how that tension system works. This is really cool. Now, if you're a delegate, let me know if this is allowed, because I know transparent puzzles, like there's been a change to things, but this definitely gives you quite a bit of information. So I would have to imagine that this is not legal, but with some changes of rules, let me know. If you're a delegate or just know the rules better than I do right now, let me know if this is allowed. I can't imagine it is, but maybe so. Let's mute my computer. Maybe so. Feels great. This, so I try to not give Nutella snoring. I try to not give favorites to puzzles and be like, this is the best one, because there is no best, but personal preference, I prefer to use this, the WeiLong or the WRM, because the size is real nice. It's a bit fast right now. Real fun puzzle. This is something I would use as a show and tell to show students how it's built and how they work and what the internals look like. Magnets are so much smaller than they did when we started with magnets.
Back in my day.
It's way too fast. Wait, where'd that piece go? Okay. We're going to pretend this solved. This is not happening. That's so cool looking. It's I actually thought this was a light up puzzle or something. Why did I take the corner out that way? That's dangerous. A light up puzzle or something electronic. But this just looks real cool. I really want to know if this is competition legal. It wouldn't have been years ago, for sure. Well, not only because it's stickerless, but yeah, I can't imagine it is. It's just a really cool puzzle that is also usable. A lot of special edition ones just look so crazy that it's like a display piece. Okay. Well, let's put this back together in a haphazard way. I like doing a haphazard putting back together. Let me know. I'm curious. If you take a puzzle apart, do you put it back together color by color and actually line things up, or do you just do it randomly and hope for the best? Because I like to do that and just see if it lines up, if it works out, and actually get a what's I'm looking for, a solve that I can do, or if it is an impossible solve.
There we go. Corner, edge. Let's see if this is a possible solve.
Well, edges are oriented. Corners are oriented. Success. Still really fast. I need to add some lubrication, slow it down, but yeah, this is one that I will carry around and practice with. It's useful. That's it. There's really not much to show. We've got the crazy person, the crazy cube logo. No, I don't want to say crazy. That's just putting that away. 18th anniversary edition. Link in the description. Check it out. Get it. Great puzzle with a fun design, and maybe you can't use it in a competition, but you can use it in your heart.